Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to apply a tourist visa to Mauritius in case you need it. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this Passport and Immigration Office website of Mauritius, where they have clarified about visa requirements. Now, most of the people or most of the nationalities do not even need a visa to go there for tourism purpose. For example, they have given visa requirement country-wise. So for on this first page, only two countries, as you see, need visa. Second and third, most of them have like on arrival visa and many don't even need a visa. So on the fourth page, there's three here. Okay. So you can see your nationality if you really need it. Okay, but as I said, most of them don't even need it. Now, okay, now what are the things you need that we need to go through? Okay, now if you determine that you have to go, then what are the things you can do to apply for visa that we are going to cover? You should apply through Mauritius diplomatic consulate representative if there is any in your country. Okay, if there's no office, you can submit via email on this email website on this email. Okay, and it's free of cost. So visa application fee duly signed, two recent passport size photograph, photocopy of data page of passport copy, copy of residence permit if you're not staying in your own country, copy of like itinerary in and out, bank statement for last month, hotel reservation for accommodation. If you have anything else like Airbnb or you're gonna stay, provide their information. If somebody is accompanying you, their passport copy and some other as per the case. Okay, and it should be as far as practice within a period of 12 working days. 1 month prior to your travel, you should apply. Okay, visa is free of cost, so that's a good thing. Okay, so now let's go through the visa application form and see what exactly it is. Have to download. Okay, so Republic of Mauritius, application for visa for Mauritius. Very simple. Capital letter, blue or black link. Like it, you need to take a printout and then photograph you need to attach here. Your title, reference number for official, forget it. Surname, name, maiden name, date of birth, profession, country of birth, nationality, permanent phone number, fax number, email, particulars of residence permit if you are not in your own country. But if there are other travelers traveling, provide that. Particulars of passport or other travel document. Okay, so I apologize. Whatever your passport or ticket details, provide here. Purpose of visit, how long you're gonna stay. The expected date of travel, flight number, of course, if you have booked, if you have hotel booked, you can put that also. Okay, how you're gonna support, I mean currency amount that you're gonna put, declaration, date, sign. So that's how you can do, and you can scan and send on email, and if it is granted, that grant letter will be more than enough to book the flight towards Mauritius. So this is how it works, guys. But as I had shown you earlier, most of the nationalities don't even need it. So most of you may not even need it. So that is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.